Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty. First of all, thanks to our honorable teacher 𝐬𝐮𝐫𝐬𝐡 sir for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. This is me, Janatul Firdaus NIPA, and I am from Natur. But I live in Dhaka with my family. There are 4 members in my family. They are my parents, my one elder brother, and also me. I have completed my SSC from Hyderabad School and College and my HSC from Central Women's College, Tikatuli, Dhaka. Now, I am the proud member of Ayat College of Nursing and Health Sciences. Here, I am studying in BSc first year. In my free time, I love cooking, painting, and reading books. So, that's my short introduction. Thank you so much.